What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Figma to Claude. So to do that, go ahead and sign into Claude AI. And once you're inside Claude, guys, simply click your profile on the lower left, then go to settings. On the settings, go down to connectors. So from here, guys, you want to go ahead and click and browse connectors on the upper right. And from here, just simply use the search to type in Figma. Once you see Figma, you will see a plus. Just simply click on it. It's where it says connect. You click on that. It's going to now connect to Figma. And you can see Claude and Figma right away start to connect. Click and continue if you have a Google account and just sign right into your Figma account. Once this is done, guys, you will see the authentication process starts. Click on yes, yes, go through all of those steps and you will have Claude and Figma connected. Right now, it is connected for me and I'm going to show you that it's connected. Click my account on the lower left, go into the settings again. And right here, you can even see it in the upper right that it shows connected to Figma, right? You can see it just appear there. Now go to connectors and here you can see Figma right here and you can see that it's connected. You can disconnect it and you can now go to configure and do the stuff right here. So here it is, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's it. So that's how you link your Figma account to Claude. Very easy and very simple.